Alright, HVAC people, so we got a no cooling coil here. We got a Furdown unit. Try to catch this gate. And it's not cooling. Thermostat and the fan only turns on when you turn the fan to on. But even when you turn the thermostat to on and the fan does turn on, it does not turn on in auto, but it does turn on fan on, but the cooling still does not kick on. Only thing turn on is the fan. So I think I did a video. I had to go up there to do a maintenance before I had to get my ladder and lean it over. And man, I hope I don't have to get up there today. We got some bad weather coming. So hopefully I don't have to get on the roof. Hopefully it's a wire or something loose downstairs. But I'm trying to find another way to get up there also. It's just too dangerous. You have to get a ladder right here, and kind of scary doing it by yourself with nobody holding the ladder. All right, let's see what we got. So it's set for cool, 78 on the inside, set for 72 in auto. See, when I turn it on, you kick on. But it's still no auto. So maybe something wrong with this thermostat. See, when I put an auto, kicks off. Let's see if we can find out what's going on here, folks. Everybody having a beautiful day. I'm gonna set this right here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, this is my red, it's my fan. I think this wire 1. Yeah, the wire is my heat. Yeah, so brown is white gonna be common, so I don't know why blue and red hooked up to this one. common blue, wild white one, green, wild white fan. Alright, so we got yellow wild one. So this is my thermostat wire right here. So brown is common. Alright, so I gotta figure it out. Brown is common. We're not gonna touch the common. Alright. Got a feeling we're gonna have a bad thermostat.
That's your preliminary assessment. It's not a user error, was it?
No.
Okay.
I'm still looking into it though.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking I wasn't doing something correctly with the thermostat because it had been like a couple of months.
No, I think it's something.
Oh, good. Glad it's not my fault.
No, not your fault.
All right, cool.
Yeah. Alright, y'all can see that. So we got 28 volts right here. Let's see what we get right here. Alright, so it's not calling for it. So I'm gonna jump wild one. Alright, so I'm finna jump wild one just to see if the condenser turns on. Okay. So of course no fan, but I did hear the condenser turn on, so that's good. Might not have to get back on that roof. It's a bad thermostat though. Alright, so I'm gonna hook these back up like they were. show you that it is the thermostat. So I'm gonna leave this common right here. I'm gonna leave W1 right here. I'm gonna take my fan. I'm gonna take Y1. Get red. Alright, so I'm gonna wire nut all these together. Just kicked on. Alright, so it is official, it's a bad thermostat. I'm gonna run and get another one. Alright, HVAC people. So I can't find the disconnect. So I'm gonna do this hot, or I can take this wire right here off and do it. Let's do it like that. Alright, we're gonna take the transformer off. Alright. We'll get to work right here.
TikTok says that's all unfounded, that it's a platform for creativity and free expression. So we wanted to know if TikTok is merely a pawn in the great power lottery between the US and China, or a genuine threat. This is TikTok.
5 nuts. For this one. So now we can put the face on here. About to rearrange the furniture. It's going to be moved over.
Built by Chinese engineers. They have control and access to how the platform works, how the algorithm works. Otherwise, they're just changing the label.
Despite all the suspicion, TikTok's popularity.
Alright, 81 inside. Set this to cool. Alright folks, so we're gonna have an 80 on your return temperature. Just turned it on though. Nice cool air, so that's about 20-degree return. Alright, HVAC people, as always, thanks for watching. So, this is Furdown troubleshooting. Unit wasn't turning on, replaced the thermostat. fired on up. So now all I'm gonna do is do a maintenance, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I'm gonna bust out the drain line and gotta get on this roof. I don't want me to do a maintenance, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this off before the rain comes. Hey, peace. Y'all be safe out there.